haiku, or at least I keep on hearing these various definitions of haiku, so I'm going to give you a very small definition of the kinds that I have written. It's a Japanese form of poetry based on syllables. Doesn't really translate very well to English or Indian languages because syllables don't have as much meaning in our languages as much as Japanese. So this is still in a 5-7-5 syllable count. 3 lines, 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. Talks about nature, talks about a season, tries to capture one moment in time, and has a sort of a twist in the end. So this one goes: the Chafa blossoms. I don't know what the Chafa is called over here. The yellow flower with a beautiful fragrance. So the Chafa blossoms, green trees on yellow fire, 5 rupees a spark. So that was the haiku. Thank you, one person who said nice. I've got a poem that I was going to read in the night, but again, short poem. It's called the Goodnight Poem. When times are lonely and morose is deep, when monsters are scared of nighttime sleep, beware the child without its keep. Lock the door and shut the peep. Cover the mirror with a curtain doll. Drown out the music of the ghastly ball. Shut the gates, don't cross that wall. Keep a little light and a phone to call. Hear that? A squeaky doleful walk? A screechy blackboard, a blood red chalk? Human voices where none may talk. Beware, I say, beware and balk. Awesome deaths lead awful lives. Throaty moans of blood-soaked wives. Playful things like nails and knives. Twinkle shrivel where a shadow thrives. Sleep now, child, for I am near. Close your eyes and wipe that tear. It's now night, but soon the sun will come clear. Till then, apart from me, you have none to fear. Another slightly dark poem. It's called The Fantasy. A slice, a trickle, then a gush, and I'm dead. The pull of a trigger and the bullets in my head. A twist, a gulp, and a froth no longer rhyme. A jump from a cliff and a fly, but for some time. Maybe an axe to the nape to get rid of that feeling there. But only I daydream and I wish that I could dare. Anybody here who understands Marathi? Yeah, thoda thoda. May I attempt a Marathi poem? Dedicated to the wonderful heat around. I did not think anybody could be hotter than Mumbai actually. But we landed here at 10 in the morning. Pohoto, pohoto, pohoto me. Pohoto is to swim. उठता बसता पोहतो मी. चालतानाही पोहतो मी. पोहताना मात्र बुडतो मी. वातावरणाचा झालाय बाम 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 बाम. मुंबईत सुटलाय घाम 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 घाम. घाम इज स्वेट. अगतिक माझे शरीर. स्लो मोशन मी फकीर. रेशमाचे धागे होते छान. झाले कापूस कोंडे फार. केस बाल वैताग देतात लांब 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 लांब. मुंबईत सुटलाय घाम 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 घाम. माठातले पाणी कोमट कोमट किती, फ्रीज थंड आणि एसी, वीज बिल संतापिनी कोपी, जीव तहानलेला जाम 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 जाम, मुंबईत सुटलाय घाम 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 घाम. हात काळे कुट्ट दोन्ही, हँड्स गेट टॅन्ड, यू कॅन्ट हेल्प इट. हात काळे कुट्ट दोन्ही, माथी पसिन्याच्या धारी, बस रिक्षा ट्रेन वारी, कशी करू मी तयारी. मीटिंग डेटिंग माझे पडले गार 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 गार, अरे उन्हाळ्या थांब 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 थांब, मुंबईत सुटलाय घाम 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 घाम. थँक्यू. Last one for this session. Many of you must be aware, familiar with Robert Frost's poem, at least not the whole poem, but miles to go before I sleep. The woods are lonely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. I stay by myself. So when I first started staying by myself, this was a sort of a parody poem that I gave as a tribute to myself. Whose karma this is, I think I know. I need to pay my house rent though. No one will see me crying here, I will order a pizza to go. My little house must think it queer, so much tidy when she is near. Between the kitchen and the bedroom door hangs the smell of rationed beer. I give my empty dabbas a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep, trying to find something to rake. The house is lovely, dark and cheap, but I have emergency lights to keep, and bills to pay before I sleep, and bills to pay before I sleep.